A7 Prime smartphone. Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2018. The Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime is powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7870 processor, and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. Network technology GSM HSPA LTE. Launch announced 2018. March status coming soon. EXP release 2018. April. Body dimensions 151.7 x 75 by 8 mm, 5.97 by 2.95 by 0.31 in. Weight 170 grams, 6.00 ounces. Build front glass, aluminum body. Plastic ends. SIM single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Display type PLSTFT. Capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size 5.5 inches, 83.4 square centimeters, approximately 73.3% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels. 16:9 ratio, approximately 401 pixels per inch. Density, multi-touch. Yes. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass. Market dependent. Platform OS Android 7.0. Nougat chipset Exynos 7870 octa CPU, octa-core 1.6 GHz Cortex A53 GPU. Mali T830 MP1 memory card slot. Micro SD up to 256 GB, dedicated slot, internal 32 GB, 3 GB RAM. Camera, primary 13 MP, f1.9, 28 mm, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR video 1080p at 30 fps. Secondary 13 MP, f1.9, 1080p. Sound alert types: vibration, MP3, wave. Ringtones, loudspeaker yes, 3.5 mm jack yes. Comms, WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 b per gram, N, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 4.1. A2DP, La GPS yes with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS radio, FM radio, USB, micro USB 2.0, USB on the go. Features sensors, fingerprint, front mounted, accelerometer, proximity messaging, SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, push email, IM browser, HTML5 and plus support, Xvid, DivX, MP4, H.265 player, MP3, Wave, EAAC plus, FLAC player, photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery, non-removable Li-ion 3300 mAh battery. Talk time up to 21h, 3G. Music play up to 84h. Miss colors: black, gold, rose gold. 61 Saudi halalas with kilogram. Head, SAR EU 0.37 with kilogram. Head, 1.63 with kilogram. Body, price about €200.